One of Jesus' most memorable miracles was feeding thousands of people in need of food. A church in Kansas City in the middle of the United States has been following Jesus' example of feeding the multitudes.
So far this year, we've served about 13,500 families. That equates to about 53,000 people when you add up the people in those families.
The New Haven Church opens its parking lot every Tuesday for food distribution. Cars line the street and wrap around the church to wait for the volunteers to fill the back of the cars with groceries and even baby supplies. All of this is accomplished in partnership with other organizations in the community. They work together to help families in need.
You know, from 10 to 11 for 1 hour we serve. And we did probably about 300 families today and probably about 1,200 to 1,500 clients that we served. I'd say we probably do anywhere from $80 to a little over $100 worth of groceries when they come through and we put it in the back of their trunks.
Today is not just any other distribution day. The church is celebrating their 1 millionth pound of food donated for the year. Pastor Mark is thanking the team by grilling vegetarian burgers for them to enjoy.
At the end of June, we hit 1 million pounds of food that we served. Here in 2021, we're definitely on pace to do over 2 million pounds. So we just took a little time to celebrate that. We were thanking the volunteers that were there with some vegetarian burgers with caramelized barbecue on it. And so yeah, it was a good celebration just to thank the volunteers for all their work. We couldn't have done it without them.
It's not only about the amount of food served, but more importantly, the lives they are able to impact.
Another family said they were asking for prayer because they were going to be evicted from their home in a couple of weeks. It reminded me that we're serving people that are really on the edge of homelessness.
This food pantry in Kansas City has grown to serve many families each week, and they say their growth strategy is simple.
The more we pray, the more people God brings here. And so I would say if you want to start a pantry like this, start praying for every single person that comes through there. And as you pray for those people, God will send you more. He knows who needs prayer, and it will grow and grow and grow, because that is what has happened to us.
From humble beginnings, this church has fed hundreds of thousands of people over the last few years. Please pray for the team in Kansas City, as well as others around the world who are continually seeking ways to serve their communities with love.